Hi friends, welcome back to my channel. I'm so excited that you're back here with me. Today I will be filming a whole entire face from the new makeup that I've gotten at ULTA. I think you should have already seen the ULTA haul. If you haven't, I will leave it in the description box below, but that should have already been up. So today what I've decided to do is to go ahead and use those products for the first time here on camera and just share with you my thoughts towards the end and what I think, if they're a must-have or they're a must-pass. So yeah, I'm so excited to get started on this tutorial. Before we do get started, don't forget to subscribe and follow me on my social media. And yeah, without further ado, let's get right into the video. I already have my base, which is my foundation, because in this ULTA haul I did not buy a foundation, so I do have my foundation on, but I'm going to go ahead and get started with the first product that I did purchase, which is the Makeup Revolution Conceal and Define Full Coverage Concealer, which looks like this. When you open the concealer, this is the wand that it comes with, and the shade that I got is the C10 shade. So I'm gonna go ahead and start with that and conceal my under eye area. You can totally build it up, so it's good to kind of layer it. It doesn't feel too heavy on the skin. It's pretty good. It's kind of like the e.l.f. one I already have. What do you all think? So I already let the concealer kind of dry down. I did add a little bit of translucent powder underneath it, and I will say, I'm looking at myself and I really do like how it feels under the eye area. It's a little bit lighter than my Camel concealer, like in the sense that it doesn't feel as heavy on the skin. And that's because I layered it. I really enjoy it. I think it has pretty good coverage. I'm kind of loving the color, and I think that is a win. The Revolution Makeup Concealer is really good. I'm gonna see how it wears, if it creases, because I do have oily skin, but overall for the coverage and the feel of it, I really like it. The item that I did buy was the Studio Mac Fix, and this powder is amazing. Got it in the color C40, and I'm so excited because it was just a repurchase for me. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna powder my skin. This powder just gives you like porcelain skin. That's the only way I can describe it. It literally gives you porcelain looking skin. I love it. So the next item that I want to try out is Pro Longwear Paint Pot in Soft Ochre. It looks like this. This is a little jar, and this is what it looks like inside. Mine's absolutely new. So what you do is you place this on your lid and it works as a base. I used to have this a long time ago, but in a different color, but I picked up this in more yellow tone now, and I'm going to go ahead and apply it to my lids and see how it conceals the darkness that I have in my lids and all of that. So here we go. See the difference between this eye and this eye? So make sure that with your paint pot you do allow it to set and kind of dry down a little bit, because it's tacky. So I'm going to let it set for a little bit, and while we do that, I'm going to go into my brows. Right now my brows have absolutely nothing on them, and what I got was this Tinted Brow Mascara by NYX, and this is the box it came in. These are the apparent results. The product looks like this, and this is what the wand looks like right here. So all I'm going to do is I'm basically gonna brush over my brows to see if it does anything for them. So do you see a difference between this brow and this brow? I think I do, and I think I'm kind of in love with it because it's so easy. I'm just brushing through my brows. I didn't have any other product, and it looks so full. Wow, and it's so quick. I really like this. And it's good that with the little applicator, not a lot comes out. Alright guys, so I'm kind of in love with this tinted brow mascara because it's a brow mascara and it just has tint to it, and it left my eyebrows looking really good, and I didn't really have to do much to them. Love it, love it. I'm in love with this. I actually got this palette for free from Ulta, and I'm going to tell you all about it in an upcoming video. But since I did not purchase anything for my eyes at Ulta, I decided I would just go ahead and work with this palette since I did get it for free there. So this palette is called the Saharan by Juvia's, and I've never had a palette by them, so I'm super excited. These are the colors of the palette. They are so gorgeous, so beautiful. So I'm gonna go ahead and try this out and create a look for you. I thought I was gonna go for a simple look, and then I started doing all of this. Forgive me, but actually I really enjoy this palette. It's super pigmented. These shadows are absolutely amazing. I think they are gorgeous, and I give this a big thumbs up. So next up, liner, wing liner. I had to repurchase my Epic Ink liner by NYX. This is the packaging that it comes in. I actually purchased a brown and a black. It's a really, really good liner. It has a very, very nice marker felt tip. So I really love that for wing liner. So all I'm gonna do is gonna create the wing with this. This is a must-have if you do wing liner or just regular liner. You're gonna love this. It's so beautiful. The wing liner was a success. I didn't mess it up this time, so I think it glides on perfectly and it just gives you the great wing. So if you're looking for a good liner, this next one is absolutely great, and it's very affordable. This is called the Extended Play Giga Black Lash Mascara. This mascara is supposed to be super good for the lower lash line. I see a lot of like influencers and YouTubers use this because of the thin wand. So I'm going to go ahead and apply that on my lower lashes, and we shall see if it's actually that good. In all honesty, I had never used such a great mascara like this one that really coated my bottom lashes and make them look super long. So I'm absolutely loving this one. I added some on my upper lashes. It's okay on the upper lashes, but the best part is on the lower lash line. I love this. I think I'm gonna get a lot of use out of this. So now to finish up the look for today, I did purchase these Blush Please blushes. They're L'Oreal blushes. I have number 11, which is this one in Blushing Riviera, and this one is like a pink color. It looks like this, very, very pretty. And then I have number 12 in the color Blushing in Saint Tropez. I think that's how you say it. So I'm going to go ahead and use the lighter one, Blushing in Riviera. And I'm going to go ahead and add that to my cheeks. Okay, so this is the way the blush looks. It looks so pretty, and it has a shift of glitter. So I'm not going to add any highlight because this looks absolutely amazing. And I'm gonna add a little bit more on my nose, my chin, just like that. Oh my goodness, I absolutely love this one. So pretty. And to finish the look, I did add a little bit of lip liner because I'm gonna be putting this lip gloss over top, and this is called the Maybelline Lifter Gloss. Look at the packaging. The packaging is absolutely so gorgeous. This is the wand right here. And I'm going to go ahead and add that over top of this lip liner to see how it looks. It looks absolutely amazing. I'm going to go ahead and swatch it. That is the shade. So pretty, so pigmented, and it's not sticky at all. These lip glosses are pretty good. I love it. So this is the shade Silk right here. I think it's so gorgeous. Wow. This is the completed look that I came up with the new items from Ulta. I'm going to go ahead and remove my glasses now so that you can see my eye look. That's about it, guys. I'm so excited that you are here. I loved all the products that I used. I can't really think of something that I used and I'm like, it wasn't that good. I absolutely loved all these products. If you want to refresh your memory on the products, all the links will be on the description box below so you can check them out for yourself. And yeah, that's about it. Let me know in the comments which one was one of your favorite products. I think for me, this blush is amazing. The palette as well. I mean, I don't even know what to choose. But yeah, let me know in the comments below. Thank you for being here and for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and I will see you on my next video. Bye, guys.